So guys, there is a good news. The new season of KBC is coming up and we all are pretty excited in our homes. Now there is, general knowledge, current affairs and huge amounts of prize money involved, in this reality show. But at the same time, there is caution in form of KBC frauds. You don't know about it? Let me tell you. My name is Ishban Yadav. I welcome you all to Cyber Peace TV. Here we make videos to help you be cyber secure. So if you haven't already subscribed yet, click on the subscribe button, press the bell icon so that you get all the notifications from us. Now let's start the video. Kaun Banega Crorepati is definitely a very popular show giving contestants prize money up to rupees 5 crores. Yes. For those of you who watched it, you know what is at stake over there, and it's definitely entertaining as well as it's informative. So, valuetainment is definitely there. And wherever and whenever huge amount of money is involved, fraudsters will find a way to steal money from innocent and unsuspecting people. Fraudsters often call people claiming their mobile number has won a lottery of lakhs of rupees from the show Kaun Banega Crorepati. They further go on to add that since the lottery money is a big amount, they have to pay taxes to claim the lottery. Fraudsters will insist the victim to deposit the tax money in a bank account first so that they can transfer their prize money without any hassle. कोई दिक्कत ना हो, आपका smoothly transfer हो जाए पैसों का. People often get hyped by the prospect of winning such large amounts of money that they don't think too much about the whole situation. Once they deposit the money to the fraudsters take it out and victim is left with nothing on their own side. The KBC fraud has been going on for quite some time, but people still fall prey to it. Like whenever we have seen this show, there is so much of rush inside us, so much of excitement that we don't actually see the truth behind any sort of fraudster calling. Now here are some things to keep in mind. If you do not participate in KBC, chances are you are not winning anything in KBC. You do not pay tax to the individuals, you pay the taxes to the government. And honestly speaking, the third point is very important and it's the most sensible. A legitimate organization will deduct the tax money before they give the prize to the winner. So supposedly, even if you have got 1 crore, then 30% tax deduction, you will directly get 70 lakh rupees and not 1 crore, and then you have to pay 30 lakhs to the government. Tax will already be deducted. If you still fall prey and become a victim of such kind of fraud, not to worry. Go to your nearest police station, lodge a complaint, or you can also log on to cybercrime.gov.in. That's the official government website for cybercrimes. For now, you can just sit back, relax and drop a like on this video because you already are cyber secure and there is a 99.9% chance that you will never fall a prey to such kind of a fraud. For more information, you can visit cyberpeace.org, that's our website, or you can drop a query or your feedback on our WhatsApp helpline number, which is 957 000 0066. That's 957 5 times 066. Now that's all for today. Please stay aware, stay safe and stay cyber secure. My name is Ishban Yadav and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, good night.